Just I'm revising. You can see atomic number is the number of protons which is present in neutral atom. Okay, sorry, number of protons or number of electrons which is present in the neutral atom. That symbol is Z. You can write atomic number equal to number of protons or number of electrons present in neutral atom. May can see here sodium 11 is the atomic number. Even after loss of electrons also 11 only atomic number. You can see 11 protons,
Yes, sir.
11 electrons. So if after loss of electron is 10, so atomic number never be changed by loss of electron or by gain of electrons. Atomic number never change by loss of electrons or by gain of electrons. Next, mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So here A equal to the symbol mass number of protons plus number of neutrons. These all are present in the nucleus. Present in the nucleus. So that's why we called all these things nucleons. Collectively, we call nucleons.
Yes, sir.
Nucleons nothing but protons plus neutrons. That's we call nucleons. So representation of the element ZA, or you can write XZA, anything. Both are correct. So I am representing some of the elements. 12 indicate atomic number, 24 indicate mass number. Similarly, 6 indicate atomic number, 12 indicate mass number. So this is the way we are showing any element.
Yes, sir.
Next one, some other terminology which you are going to write. Write it here. Isotopes. So you can write definition. You can write it. The atom of the same element. The atoms of the same element, which have the same atomic number but different in mass number. Which have the same atomic number means Z and different mass number. Different mass number is A. So we can write here very simply. You can write, for example, carbon 6 12, carbon 6 13, carbon 6 14. All these are isotopes because you can see atomic number same 6 6 6. So atomic number same. These are the examples. You can write different elements. Even they're asking recently JE exam also they ask that one. Hydrogen isotopes 1, 2, 3. Okay. Shall we calculate number of neutrons? How many is there here?
Yes, sir.
Number of neutrons equal to mass number minus atomic number. So you can calculate with respect to hydrogen first. So this is we called proton. This name is proton or protium they are going to be called. This is deuterium. This is tritium. The make and show here I am representing 1D. So this is deuterium symbol. or 1T tritium. This is radioactive element. Radioactive. Radioactive means it can release alpha beta particles. Alpha particles, beta rays, gamma rays like that. Okay. So shall we count here number of neutrons? 1 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
First case how much here number of neutrons here? 1 minus 1
Zero.
because mass number 0 neutrons. Very good. Next 1H2. How much neutrons? 2 minus 1.
One neutron.
1 neutron. Next 3
Two
minus
neutron.
2 neutrons. This same question they asked JE also recently 2020 or 19. Okay. How many neutrons present like that question. So hydrogen doesn't have any neutrons, 0 neutrons. In the whole periodic table, we have only one element that is 0 neutrons, that is hydrogen. So these are the isotopes. You may can find Cl17 35, Cl17 37 like this. All these are different isotopes. So same atomic numbers, different mass number. You can write it. Isotopes have different physical properties. Isotopes having different physical properties. Actual physical properties means like boiling point, melting point, viscosity, state, all these things, physical properties. The state means gaseous state or liquid state, melting point, boiling points, different things. So isotopes have different physical properties, but these have same chemical properties. Same chemical properties. We can check it all. They have same number of electrons because they contain same number of electrons. Because same number
Yes,
of
sir.
electrons. Number of electrons. Electrons they are not losing. All they have same number of electrons. Next, isobars. Iso means same. Where we are writing isobars. Same mass number actually. Isobars means the atoms of different elements. You can write it. The atoms of different elements. Different elements which have the same mass number, which have the same mass number but different atomic numbers. Same mass number means A is same but different atomic number. Nothing but Z. You can try some of the examples here. Argon 1840, potassium 1940. So calcium 2040. So 2040. Got it? All they have
Yes,
same
sir.
atomic number, sorry, same mass number but different atomic numbers. So when they have different atomic numbers means these have different physical and chemical properties. We can write it. These have different physical and Chemical properties. Argon, this is inert. That won't be react with any other one. Okay, inert. That is inert gas. So these are highly reactive elements. So different number of electrons. So they have different chemical properties as well as physical properties. Next we have that one isotones. Iso means same. Tones means neutrons here. You can write it. You can write it. The atoms of different elements. The atoms of different elements.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah. The atoms of different elements which have the same number of neutrons. Which have the same number of neutrons. Isotone, tone, you can keep neutrons. So same number of neutrons, but different number of mass number A and Z values.
Yes, sir.
So we can write some example here. Carbon 6 14, nitrogen 7 15. So you can write number of neutrons. Oxygen 8 8. So number of neutrons equal to A minus Z. Just substitute in this formula, you can get it. For example, carbon C6 14. 14 minus 6. How much you got? 8. For nitrogen 7 minus 15. No, sorry. 15 minus 7. I think so 8 only. Oxygen 8 16. 16 minus 8. 8. So all they have same number of neutrons. So all these are isotones. Same.
Yes,
Isotones
sir.
also shows different physical and chemical properties. It shows, or this shows, different physical and chemical properties. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next. Isoelectronic. Next. Isoelectronic means atoms, comma, molecules or ions having same number of electrons. It may atoms, molecules or ions having same number of electrons. So I think so you know how to count electrons. I will explain here very clearly. For example, F minus. F have generally 9 electrons. Minus means extra 1 electron, that is, plus 1 more electron, total 10. Because atomic number is 9, so 9 electrons. Minus 1 means extra 1 more electron, total 10. So similarly, oxygen minus 2. Oxygen atomic number is 8. So 8 electrons plus minus 2 means extra 2 electrons. They are gaining 2 electrons. So you have to add 2. Total 10 electrons. N minus 3. You can count here. Nitrogen is 7 atomic number. 7 plus 3. 10 electrons. Similarly, Na plus atomic number is generally 11. I think so atomic number fixed. So which is plus means they lost 1 electron actually. So 11 minus 1, 10 electrons. Mg2 plus, this is 12 atomic number. So 12 minus 2, how much is positive is that much you have to subtract. So 10
Yes,
electrons.
sir.
Aluminium 13 plus 3, 10 minus 3, sorry 13 minus 3. So you'll get 10 electrons. So this we called
Sir,
I, yeah, all
all
have,
have 10 as.
yes, 10 only. All they have
Yes,
same
sir.
number of electrons. So this we call isoelectronic.
Yes, sir.
With respect to molecules, we can write N2 CO Cn minus. N2 means two nitrogens. Each nitrogen has 7 electrons plus 7, total 14 electrons. CO, carbon is 6 electrons plus oxygen have 8 electrons, total 14 electrons. Cn minus, carbon 6 electrons plus nitrogen 7 electrons plus 1 extra minus is there, that's why. Total 14 electrons. So got it here, all they have same number of electrons.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, those have different physical and chemical properties, that is common point. Next one, isosters. Isosters. So isosters means molecule having same number of atoms, same number of atoms, and also same number of electrons, and also same number of electrons. Yeah, you may can take examples. N2 and CO. CO2 and N2O. You can count here how many atoms is there? 2 atoms. N2 is 2 atoms, CO also 2 atoms. Electrons already we counted. N2 have 14 electrons, CO also 14 electrons. So same number of atoms and same number of electrons. So these we called isosters.
Yes, sir.
Actually one more term is there. I didn't remember that example. Isodiapher. Isodiaphers means the elements which one have same number of A minus Z, A minus 2Z. The elements which one have same number of A minus 2Z, A minus 2Z. Okay. The number which one have A minus 2Z, same thing. That's we are called isodiaphers. Examples I don't remember. If they're asking, can substitute this formula, you can get it.